guys, since we're gonna play the game that say spoil the don't spoil the
Don't spoil the
don't
water.
spoil the water. The winner get the cake ne. Yes. Why it's so small too? Like it's like Windows child.
Guys, she's making it difficult for me.
Just for once. Yeah. Stop.
Okay, guys, let's see.
Yeah, you okay. Just eating.
Guys, like a lot of it. Okay, I'm still good. Okay, nice and dry. Guys, it's almost full. It is almost full.
She's cheating, you cheating.
How am I cheating when you threw it so much?
No. I'm gonna take the cake.
I'm taking the cake. Shall wish. How did I throw so much and it never fall up?
It did. Yeah.
It never.
Yes, it did.
That was long time.
Yeah, you cheating.
If our lives were good, it was there.
No.
Yo!
I was getting the cake.
Oh,
You cheating so little.
hi, your boss. Throw it.
David. Why?
No.
You just throw. You never throw. You never throw.
I did throw. Didn't I throw a drop?
You never.
I did throw a drop.
That's small to me.
Yeah, you're making it difficult for me. Yeah, karama. Okay, we'll see you back to